acoustic there, then go up top, go top. There is a flare acoustic there. Okay, 1 minute here. Down. Water down. Down. There is acoustic there. Other flare meter down. No, there is one more is there, which is having flow gas is there somewhere. Down. Before there was something. No, here nothing. Okay. Maybe you can add that somewhere, or just if you get something down, you can just add it.
See, all flue gases we will put in the NVIT.
Yeah, okay.
In the NVIT.
Yeah. And then there is something.
Yeah. Also, cold surface.
Okay, no, there is no cold surface here.
Cold fluid is not applicable.
No
open flame. So this is not there. This is not there. Flare is here.
There is no flame. No, there is flare. There is no hot work in this project, right, Razuddin?
No hot work.
There is no cutting, welding, nothing is there, not applicable.
No.
If you want to put here no flare, I can put a stack.
No. There is a more. I know there is a flue gas. There is one more process there.
Electricity, you are going to use any motorized equipment?
50 to 440 will be there. Cable,
because you are going to use.
We are using generator. Excuse me, generator we are using.
Yeah, so let us keep it because you are going to DG. About DG, short circuit, electrocution, personal injury, 4.
No, that won't kill the person, right?
440 में आदमी kill हुए हैं. 220 and above person will be killed.
Okay.
4C, trend stop, lotus system, no life saving, ELCV, MCV, earthing bonding.
This fire in consequences.
Sorry?
Short circuit and consequence fire should be considered, right?
No, fire
also,
right?
Fire. And fire.
And electrical
fire.
Is this is correct. So this is okay.
And that we put a ground level. Then you put acid damage.
Yeah.
Acid damage.
Yes. Acid damage one. Environment, you can also put environment.
No.
Because the emission.
You put environment that acid damage. Not
acid damage you put, no?
No, in the consequence.
Industry. Correct.
Okay.
I think we have got sufficient safeguard.
You put the maintenance also, right? The preventive maintenance, something is there?
Maintenance and inspection.
Yeah, maintenance.
Correct?
Yeah.
How about fire detection or smoke detection equipment?
Detector, you have
detector there?
You may not have.
Smoke detector should be there.
But you don't have any building or anything right inside. Where is the smoke detector installed?
No, it's portable smoke detectors are available. No.
Okay, good smoke detector.
Portable.
No. Good smoke detector.
No, the system is there. Fire detection system is there in the. Yeah.
Smoke detector.
Yeah.
Okay. Remove existing fire detector. Okay, to be you are talking about the civil defense.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Home detector. This one in medical. This one.
No, I think remove existing fire detection system won't work. I think it work here.
Not the
or civil defense.
Civil defense.
Okay.
I think let it be.
Okay. No, why? You put first aid in the ambulance. First aid and ambulance is to be there. No?
Okay, guys. So no problem.
4B, yeah.
4B, yes. 4B, correct. And 4 insulation can also have the same thing. Fatality, WMS, twin staff, LOTO,
I think it will cover
and electrical insulation. ELCB will help you, right? Ultimately, same consequence.
Maintenance and inspection also.
Inspection, correct. Alpha-team, HAZID, this one. Smoke detector will help you. First aid will help you, correct. So this is a 4B again. 4B.